discuss about the center of mass. What is the center of mass? Let us see. So consider a system consisting of a n number of particles. Okay, and the n number of particles, in that there is a one point. In that the whole mass is concentrated, and there its motion is same as would ensue if the external force acting on the system were applied directly to it. The point is called center of mass. Okay, for example, I am going to consider this is a duster. Okay, and this duster consisting of a n number of particles. Okay, and in that n number of particles, here there is a one point in which the whole mass is concentrated. There is a one point. In that point, this whole mass is concentrated, and its motion is same as would ensue if the external force acting on the system were applied directly to that point at the center of mass. Then this point we have to call it as a center of mass. Okay, and here consider this is a one duster, and this duster consisting of a n number of particles. Okay, and the whole mass is concentrated at a one point. Okay, now I am going to apply some force on this body. Okay, if I apply some force on this body, it is moving. Okay, in spite of applying the force on the whole body, I am going to apply at the center of mass only. Then it is same as the applying the force on whole the body. Okay, let us consider that this body is where it is going to be balanced. Let us try. So let us consider. Okay, now this body is concentrated, means this body is balanced, means the whole mass of the body is concentrated at a one particular point. We can hold it on single finger only, but it is difficult for handling. So I have handled this duster on this two fingers, means at this point the whole mass of the body is concentrated. Okay, if I apply some external force on that point, it is same as the force acting on the whole body, means it is moving as if we apply the same force on the whole body. Okay, initially I have applied the force on the whole body, it is moving. Now I am going to apply the same force on this particular point. Again it is moving, right? So this is nothing but, this point is nothing but a center of mass. Okay, so here let us see once again. Consider a system of n number of particles, and in that there is a one point in which the whole mass is concentrated. There its motion is same as would ensue if the external force acting on the system were applied directly to the it, means that is a one point, that is a center point. That point is called a center of mass. Right? Now well, for the center of mass, I am going to consider a system, and this system consisting of a n number of particles. Okay, in that n number of particles, each particle have the mass, different masses. That I am going to consider this is one system, and this system consisting of a n number of particles, and each mass, that is m1, m2, m3, m4, right? So I would like to consider like this. Okay, now, and position of the each particle, that is r1, r2, r3, and up to rn respectively to their masses. Right? Just I have written here. Suppose we have a system of total mass m, that is capital M, total mass m, and in that it consisting of a n number of particles, small particles, and that is mass is m1, m2, m3, that is small m up to mn, and whose position with respect to origin, this is the origin, with respect to origin, that is r1, r2, r3, and up to rn respectively. Now the center of mass of this system, I am going to consider this is the center of mass of the system, is defined as the point whose position vector, that is r, capital R. This point I am going to represent it as a position vector, that is capital R, that is given by. So this whole mass, means for the center center of mass of the system we are going to define it as a whole mass. So I am going to consider m1 plus m2 plus m3 and up to plus mn. And the position vector of this whole particle is concentrated to one point, that is the position vector of the center of mass, that is r. This r vector. And the moment of individual particle, that is m1 r1 plus m2 r2 and so on up to mn rn. Now the position vector of center of mass, that is capital R, I am going to take this whole term on this side, is going to divide by m1 r1 plus m2 r2 plus and so on plus mn rn divided by m1 plus m2 plus and so on plus mn. Okay, now this is a position vector of center of mass, right, capital R. Now in spite of this I am going to write the summation of I1 to n, summation over I1 to n, that is mi ri. Okay, this is the moment of each particle mi ri, right, and next divided by sum of the all masses, that is summation over I1 to n, that is mi. So in that I am going to write it as a summation of mi is nothing but a capital M. Summation of mi is nothing but it is a sum of the total mass of the particle, that is a capital M. Right? So as summation of mi is nothing but a M, that is the total mass of the system. And now if the center of mass, if this center of mass coincide with the origin, if the center of mass coincide with the origin, so then position vector is what? That position vector is 0, right? So now it has a some value. Okay, that is capital R has a some value because it is away from the origin. So now if the center of mass is coincide with the origin, then position vector R becomes 0. If R becomes 0, then summation of mi ri, that is also equal to 0 only, right? And so now we like to look the definition. The center of mass is defined as the point in which, the center of mass is defined as the point in a space, such that vector sum of the moments of mass points around it is 0. Okay, this is another way of the definition of the center of mass. Or otherwise, in the previous I have already given the definition of center of mass, that is also enough, more than enough. So in the other way we are going to define it as a center of mass is defined as the point in a space such that the vector sum of the moments of the mass points around it is 0. This is all about the center of mass. Okay, in the next video lecture I am going to discuss about the position vector of center of mass and velocity of center of mass, acceleration of center of mass. Okay, thank you.